Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax in Charleston, and I want to show you this brand new redesigned 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard, powered with the brand new V10 Mercury 400 Verado. Let's step aboard and take a look. Now that we're on board, let's check out some of the amenities. Brand new V10 Mercury Verado, painted in white, looks really nice with the blue hull on this boat. You can see here we have SeaDek flooring all the way throughout. Look at this large sun pad in the back. This folds down here, so if you wanted to lounge, you just lift up like this, fold it down, put a nice towel down, catch the rays. Look at this expansive cockpit that we have here. Tons of seating. I could be sitting here, someone could be sitting across, and you still have room. Sea Ray does a great engineering design where someone could be sitting across from you and you still don't have to move knees when someone needs to walk through. Let's take a look at all the storage on the boat. And here you'll see that we have a full boat cover, tons of storage, and then look at this. Look at all that storage space. You got your fuel tank, fresh water tank, access to your batteries. And then something that I really like, new redesign from Sea Ray, inductive phone chargers sitting right here out of the way, so you can go ahead and charge your phone. Cup holders easily accessible. New for 2025. Instead of a single display, now you get twin Simrad displays. And check this out, new design for 2025, something I love. They moved the head to the starboard side. Porcelain flushing toilet, hand basin, and you can see down there we have some cushions. So if you wanted to lounge or have the kids get out of the sun, perfect place to do it. Moving forward, well-designed bow area, bow table here so you can have a nice social dining experience up front on the bow. Notice the SeaDek, so if you're standing up here picking up a mooring ball or anchor line, you won't slip. Also, a really nice feature here is we have a beach boarding ladder and an anchor windlass. Not something that you see on boats in this class. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough tour of our 270 SDX outboard here at MarineMax Charleston. I'm Justin Costello. If you want to learn more, go to www.marinemax.com.